Hey everyone, so today I'm going to guide you through how to handle refunds on InfinitePay.io. Whether you are a business owner needing to process returns or a consumer curious about the refund process, InfinitePay.io makes it straightforward. So let's get started. First of all, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the transactions or payment history section. This is where you can find the transaction you need to refund. Locate the transaction that requires a refund, select on it to view detailed transaction information. Look for the refund or issue refund option within the transaction details. Select on it to start the refund process. Enter the refund amount and any necessary notes or reasons for the refund. Double check all details before proceeding. Once you are sure about the refund details, select confirm or process refund option. The refund will be initiated immediately. Monitor the refund status in your transaction history. InfinitePay.io provides updates on whether the refund is pending, completed, or if there are any issues. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to handle refunds on InfinitePay.io. Whether you are managing returns or as a business or processing refunds as a consumer, InfinitePay.io ensures a smooth and transparent process. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more tutorials and tech updates, and see you again.